Atlantex Manufacturing has been an industry leader in the design and production of systems protection textiles for over 25 years. Being located near Philadelphia, Pennsylvania allows us to take advantage of the region's rich history of textile production and blend it with modern materials and processes. We're a third-generation, family-owned and operated manufacturer dedicated to producing the highest quality systems protection solutions to shield against high temperatures and abrasion.
High-performance sleeving solutions start with specialized quality textiles. In addition to industry standards such as fiberglass and nylon, Atlantex offers cutting-edge aramids and specialty fibers for unmatched protection under extreme conditions. Atlantex's Pyrotherm product line is designed to protect against the damaging effects of heat and insulate to maintain stable internal temperatures while reducing energy loss. With a continuous operating temperature of 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, Pyrotherm products are engineered to keep critical systems operational and dependable. To enhance performance, Pyrotex Fire Sleeve is produced by applying robust yet flexible custom compounded silicone polymer coating. Our exclusive Pyrotex coating provides best-in-class protection against high heat, direct flame, and molten splash. Pyrotex Fire Sleeve can withstand temperatures up to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, and when exposed to direct flame, forms a self-extinguishing protective layer. This exclusive coating will not burn or support combustion, and the smooth coating instantly sheds sparks and molten splash, removing high-temperature hazards before causing thermal damage to the line. Atlantex can custom print Pyrotex products to promote brand recognition and communicate system information. Zippers, high-temperature snaps, and Velcro closures minimize downtime and maximize installation efficiency. When thermal hazards threaten components, uptime, or operators, trust Pyrotex to take the heat. Atlantex's ToughTex sleeving is designed to protect cables, lines, and hoses against aggressive abrasion and line burst containment. ToughTex is made in America from a high-tenacity, multi-filament nylon. Brightly colored textiles make for easy identification and adds another layer of safety to any hazardous workplace. For cut-through resistance and high-temperature abrasion protection, Paratex sleeving utilizes ballistic-grade DuPont Kevlar. Metatex, made with DuPont Nomex, protects from heat, flame, and wear. For radiant heat hazards, Reflectherm offers trusted thermal management in a wide variety of applications. The polished aluminum laminate reflects 90% of radiant heat away from components. The availability as a sewn tube or with closures, including Velcro and metal snaps, enable Reflectherm to suit any job. The Atlantex Fabrication Department is ready to offer its expertise in value-added services to suit your unique needs. Combat scrap costs with accurate, pre-cut segments or bulk continuous lengths. Pyrotex N-Dip minimizes fluid wicking and fiber escape. Our expert fabricators are ready to provide customized closure options, including Velcro, zippers, and high-temperature snaps, to minimize downtime and maximize installation efficiency. The engineering and quality team at Atlantex works around the clock to ensure the highest level of quality control. At Atlantex, diligence is essential to creating products that ensure safety and reliability. With an extensive inventory strategically located around the globe, Atlantex takes pride in our short turnaround times and same-day shipments.
We design, build, and maintain all of our custom production equipment in-house so that we can quickly and completely respond to the hazards your application is facing. Atlantex products have been proven time and time again to take the heat in the most aggressive industrial applications. We continuously look for opportunities to work with you to develop additional products and services to keep you up and running at peak performance.